Okay, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to replace just a refill on your wiper blade. If you got one of these Bosch type of wiper blade, it looked like this. Okay, I don't know which model is this Bosch, but this fit my 2010 Honda Civic. Okay, so anyway, as I replacing nowadays. You just replace a whole blade. But during my old days, you just replace a refill because it's cheaper. Nowadays, most places don't even sell refill. But I was able to find these online. I bought like 2 sets of them, and it run me less than $4 for both on eBay. Okay, so the new one came in like that, and you just split the center, and it's come out. So I just replaced this one here. And I went the hard way because I tried to take off the tip and replacing it. Now I find out that I don't have to do that as I try to reassemble it. Okay, so if you got one of these Bosch wiper blade, as I replace it, I about to throw this away, and I say, man, what a waste. So anyway, what happened to mine is I watched YouTube where the guy used WD-40 to clean the wiper blade, and when I did it, and this happened to both of right, the wiper was good, but when I cleaned it with WD-40, this is what happened. Okay, so it happened on both of my wiper blade, so I have to replace it. So the way you do it, the way you get the refill out, is since this thing already grew, what I did is I take my finger there, put it right there, and I just pull this thing right out of there. Okay, so with the old refill out of there, now it's very easy for you to take this tip off right here. Okay, so let me zoom it in so you can see. All right, I hope that shows good on the camera. So basically what you want to do is put your thumb and your index finger right there. Okay, your other hand, take a screwdriver, a small screwdriver, put it in here and pry it toward the inside. So as you pry on this, you take your thumb and you push it, okay, and you hold it. Same thing on the top here, okay. You just take a screwdriver and you pry toward the inside. As you prying it, you take your index finger and you push it, okay. You push it toward the end, okay, which is that way, okay. And when it's gonna pop out like this, okay. See how? And these are the tab right there that you push, okay. And now what you want to do is take the new one and put it in between the blade right there, and just slide it all the way in, okay. So as you can see, this new one here I bought from eBay, same size as this old one coming out here, okay. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to slide this in to the center here, and then you're going to use some silicone and lubricate this area, this track, so this thing slide all the way in. Okay, now on this particular one, because nowadays the windshield wiper one is longer than the other, so I probably end up have to cut this. I started on this end already. I just slide it in into that metal track there, and I'm just gonna slide in. You don't put lubricant here, it's gonna get stuck right in the center here. Okay, take a screwdriver and put it in and just pry it a little bit to open this track up. And yeah, I put a little lubricant right there. That way when you slide this in all the way in there, you just lift it up a little bit and pull it all the way to the other end. Okay, there it is. I have it all the way to the end. Okay, so when you get here, it's going to get a little harder. You have to lift it up a little bit. Keep on pushing. With lubrication, this thing going to slide all the way in. Okay, so make sure you get this all the way to the end. And then what you're going to do on this side up here, you're going to cut it. You're going to cut it, and then you're going to fit this thing in into a snap in, and that's it. Okay, so before you cut, make sure this thing is all the way at the end there. Okay, because this thing curved, so it have a tendency of moving this way. So when you cut, you use one hand and you just push this thing toward the end there. Okay, a little bit like that, and I'm be using the razor blade, and I'm going to trim it off where this even with this metal tap. I don't know if it shows good on my camera there, but even with this metal tap right here, that way I can slide the end cap back on. Okay, there it is. I just cut about that much off it, even with the tap. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide this end cap back in. Okay, like so. Then I'm just going to push this all the way in until I hear a snap. Okay, make sure you push it all the way in. Otherwise, that metal, that two metal part, it's not sitting in right. And when you use a window wiper, this thing gonna come off. Okay, so make sure you push it all the way in until you hear a snap. And there it is. Okay, I have to use the other hand hold on this end because this plastic piece here kind of like move in and out. Okay, so hold on this end, and then with the other hand push this in all the way, and it looked like it's snapped in. It's not coming out. Okay, and that's it. That's how you replace this Bosch area. I believe this is 26 for the long one, 22 is the short one. So I bought a 26. So I bought two of them for about $4. And I saved this for next time. Okay, so that's how you replace the refill on these Bosch plate. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye.